12 plus pharma services under one roof finally. No more vendor juggling. Spectratix Pharma is revolutionizing how colleges, universities and industries approach pharmaceutical research and development. From formulation development to analytical services, clinical research to animal studies, we've got you covered. Need specialized software or audit preparation? We do that too. Our comprehensive services extend to industrial training, computer system validation, research writing, and patent services. And for students, we offer valuable internships and project opportunities to build your career. Stop wasting time coordinating multiple vendors when you could be advancing your research with one trusted partner. Spectratix Pharma, your complete pharmaceutical services solution.